Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add Cash App money to your bank account. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, you want to go ahead and open up the official Cash App application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not have the application, you can go ahead and download it. So open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the search bar, and in the search bar search for Cash App. So once you find the Cash App application, you can go ahead and install it, and once you install it successfully, you can get started opening it up. So opening it up, you're going to go and be greeted by the main page where you can log in either with your phone number or with your email address and login details, whichever way you prefer. And once you log in, now we can get started. So we will be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page, where we can take a look at our cash balance, our savings options, and all other settings that we have, and we can get started with transferring money to our bank account. So what we have to do is connect our bank account to our Cash App, but it's very easy. What we're looking for is right here in the upper right corner. In the upper right corner, you're going to have the profile icon. So click on your profile picture in the upper right corner. That's going to open up your profile settings. In your profile settings, one of the options that you can access is called linked accounts. You want to open up your linked accounts, and this is going to enable you to find any bank that you want to link to your account. So in there, you can find any bank such as Wells Fargo and so on. So you can go and find the bank that you want to connect, and once you have found your bank, you can go ahead and select it and provide all the info, log into your bank account, and once you log in successfully, you'll be greeted by the main page where you have connected your Cash App with bank. So once you have connected those two, you can come back right here to the main page, and now we can go to the payments tab where we can go ahead and transfer money to your bank account. We can send cash and do whatever we want by connecting those two, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.